Hello everyone, I'm Aishwarya. This video is on HTML. In this video, we are going to see Introduction to HTML, Tags of HTML, and Implementation of Tags. Let us begin with Introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the most widely used language on web to create web pages. It is a simple language made up of elements. HTML elements are represented by tags. You need a browser and a word processor. It is saved as .html extension. Tags of HTML. HTML tag defines an HTML document. Head tag defines information about the document. Title tag defines a title. Body tag defines the document's body. H1 to H6 headings of different sizes. B stands for bold, I for italic, P for paragraph, BR for line break, HR to create a horizontal line. Center tag to put any content at the center of the page, and P alignment, that is left or right, and image insertion. You can even select the size, style, which is like width and height of the image. Mark you tag to move the image or the content. A href tag which specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. UL tag unordered list, OL ordered list, table defines table, TR stands for table row, TH for table header, TD for table data, cell padding and cell spacing. Forms. It defines a form that is used to collect user input. Important form of element. There are several types of inputs. Text defines one-line text input. Radio defines a radio button. Submit defines a submit button. Select defines a drop-down list. Option defines an option that can be selected. Text area, it defines multi-line input field, and button defines a clickable button. So now let's begin with the implementation of tags. So here are the basic HTML tags. At the left side of my screen, here you can see a notepad. The first tag is a HTML tag. It tells the browser that this is an HTML document. It's the root of the HTML document. And then comes the body tag. When you open this body tag, the main content area is provided. Then comes a BG color tag. I need a background color for the whole web page. So let me include this in the body tag itself. So body BG color equals to yellow. So let's save this. Remember, when you are saving this notepad, you need to save it as .html extension. So file1.html, saved. At the right side of my screen, here you can see a web page. So let's refresh it, and the yellow color in the background appears. Then comes the paragraph tag. When you open this tag, you can write any paragraph. For example, here I have given a hello, and at the right side of my screen you can see a hello got printed over here. You can even set an alignment to this. Let's see what happens if I give a right alignment to this content. So P align equals to right. Save it simply by Control S, and then let's refresh the web page. So here you can see the text got aligned to the right. Then comes the heading tag. They are used to define headings. So you can see different sizes of headings, that is 1 to 6. The first heading is big in size, then comes the second one which is a bit smaller in size than the first one, and so on up till 6. So let's see what happens if I give an extra heading, that is H7 to this. So let me give a heading H7. And let me close this tag, and let's save it, and then refresh it. So here you can see the heading 7 got acquired the size of the original text. So the heading tag is applicable only from 1 to 6 and not beyond the range. Then the next comes bold and italic tags. When you give these tags, you can see the contents printed in its respective fonts. Here I have given bold hello and italic hello. At the right side of my screen you can see a hello printed in bold and a hello got printed in italic. Remember, when you open a tag, see that those tags end. To end the tag, you must simply add a backslash before the tag. So I have here a body tag. I have entered it with a backslash before the tag. Even the HTML tag, I have entered it by adding a backslash before it. This is file 2. In this we are going to see how we can insert an image to the web page in marquee tag, ordered and unordered list, and href tag. So let's begin with the marquee tag. Marquee tag is used to move the content or the image in the web page. So here I have given a marquee tag for the paragraph hello. So in the web page you can see the content moving. Then comes the img src tag. src attribute specifies the URL of the image. So let's see how we can insert the image. Select the properties of the required image, copy the location. Do remember the name of the picture and the type of the file. Here my file is in the type of .jpg format. So let's open the notepad, paste the location, backslash the name of the picture .jpg format. Let's save it and refresh the web page. Here you can see the image. So here's another important point to note. When your image and file are in the same path, that is, for example, my image and this file both are on desktop. So when the path is same, there is no need to specify the location. So let me remove this location and let me save it. So the image remains constant. So you can even add your own style to the image, that is width and height according to your choice, and simply close the tag by a slash. Then comes unordered and ordered list. Unordered list, so open the UL tag and give the list of your choice, and you can see in the web page the numbers don't appear. And in the ordered list, give the list of your choice, and you can see the numbers over here. Then comes a href tag. A is an anchor tag, href is an attribute that indicates the link target. So here you can see a href is equal to, I have given the URL of file 1 and I have given this statement called please click here. So in the web page you can see the statement please click here got highlighted. So when I click here, I am going to the web page which is linked over here. We can even give this tag to image. Let's see how this works. Now give a tag over here, ahref equals. Now go to another web page, copy the URL of this particular web page, copy, let me paste it over here, paste, let me close this. Let me close the anchor tag, save this, let me close this web page and click on the image. So let's click on this image and a new web page got opened. In this we are going to see how we can create a table in the web page. Firstly, open a table tag and you can design it according to your choice. Here I have given the table border is equal to 5 and the alignment is equal to left, and the table border color green and the table background color as red, and the width of the table as 300 and height as 200. To create a row in the table, we need to open a TR tag, and in the first row I need the heading. So let me open the TH tag, which means table heading, and give the respective headings and close the table heading tags. Then again open another row. Here I want to give the data, so open the TD tag and give the data of your choice. Close the TR tags and table tag. So the right side onto my web page, you can see a table got created. Here you can notice that the table heading is bold as compared to the table data information, and it is aligned to the center of the table cell. In this we are going to see how forms can be created in web pages. So first open the form tag, and I have given a center tag so that the content will be aligned to the center, and here I have given a name and I wanted the input type as text. Here you can give a single statement input. Similarly, I have given the roll number and the input type text. Then for address, I have given input type as text area, and I have allocated the size to it, that is rows equal to 3 and column equal to 5. Next, for gender, I gave the input type as radio. Here you can select only one option from male or female. Then for branch, I gave select type, so you'll be provided with a drop down list, and I gave multiple options as you can see here. And at the last, I am creating a go button by giving its input type as submit. So let's see how this works. At the right side of my screen, here you can see a web page. Here I am giving a single statement input name and roll number. For address, I can give multiple lines. Gender, I can select either one of these two, either male or female. And for branch, you can see a down arrow over here. When you click this, you'll be provided with the multiple options. You can select according to your choice, and at last a go button. This will submit the form. So here's how a form works.